This video is for Building Java Programs, Chapter 9, Exercise 9.1 Marketer. So in section 9.1 and 9.2, the book describes an employee class. So this employee class is the superclass, and then there are various subclasses. There's lawyers, secretaries, marketers. So we're going to be working on creating the marketer now. So I'm going to give you a little bit of the framework. Of course, you're going to do a public class marketer, and then this is a child of the superclass. So how do you write that it's a child that it inherits from the superclass employee? Okay, so there's a keyword here that you should know. If you don't, watch my video on section 9.2. It inherits from employee. Okay, so that's a little bit of the framework. Now, the nice thing about inheriting is that you don't have to know all the functions that the employee subclass, a superclass, has. You just have to know what the marketer, how the marketer is different. So it tells you here the marketers have to make 50,000 more. Okay, so how do we determine what the salary is for employees? There's a method described in chapter 9.1 that it's called get salary. So it's going to be a public and then double get salary. So that's the function that you are overriding. Okay, overriding as opposed to overloading. Overriding means that it's the exact same signature as the superclass. Overloading was the old days when we had the same name function, but then the signatures were different. They had different parameters. Okay, so we're overriding this function. Now, they want to make 10,000 more than general employees. So how do you get the superclass salary? How do you get the superclass salary? So once you figure out how to do that, you just have to add $10,000. That's what you got to return. So that's one thing you need to do. They also have an additional method called advertise. So you're going to have to declare a new advertise method here, and its function is to simply print out the message. Okay, so it's really simple. You just have to create a new method called advertise, and obviously it's not going to return anything. Instead, it's going to do a sysout with this text. So in that case, you're not going to need to get anything from the superclass. So between those hints, I think you should be able to figure out how to do this problem.